Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete photos from Google Drive, whether you're freeing up space or organizing your storage. So let's jump right into it. First step is to access Google Drive, and to do so, start by opening your browser, and then in the search bar type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your account, and if you're not, just enter your Google account credentials. The next step is to locate the photos. To find your photos, you can either navigate through your folder or search by file type using the search bar. Just type in photos or use filters to narrow it down to images. Now, the next step is to select and remove the photos. And to do so, once you found the photos you'd like to delete, click on them to select them. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key, or CMD if you're using Mac. Right-click on any of the selected images and click Remove. Next step is to empty trash to permanently delete the files. To make sure the photos are gone for good, click Trash on the left. Select the photos again and right-click to choose Delete Forever. Remember, once you empty the trash can, you can never recover your files again. And now to organize your photo backup. If you're only cleaning up space, consider moving your photos to an external hard drive or use Google Photos for easier management. And that's how you delete photos from Google Drive. Remember, deleted files will always stay in your trash until you manually remove them. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. And don't hesitate to leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.